Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your main bulb, which is the low beam, to LED. This is a H7 bulb and it's the end one on both sides. So it's the big cup which I've already took off. You just pull it off there. That's the cup, and it's just a big thing. I'll show you now. Take over. So you want to twist it, put your hand in there. It's like a massive tab, very easy. This is the easiest one to change. It's a massive tab. Twist it. If it doesn't twist one way, you twist it that way. So if it doesn't twist one way, twist it the other way. There you go. As you can see, that is the bulb. This is the old bulb. We're going to get the new one out. So this is the H7 halogen bulbs. These are the new cob LED bulbs. Got this wire with it, so I'll show you how to wire that up in a second. There's a wire in there, so you'll have to match it to that. This has got a fan on it, so hopefully this is good. So not too sure. I don't think we need this black thing anymore, so hopefully it'll just slot in place. There you go. Yeah. With me there. Putting this new one back on. How's that going to hold in place?
Go look at one.
That's what's in the power, these bits. I don't think any of these kits are going to work with them. Fucking dog shit. Look on it.
Three, two, one. Yep. If you just want, yep. Okay.
Alright guys, so the old H7s, the problem was they had an extra wire along with it, which the Chinese people said, which company I bought it from, which is Chinese, said it was fine, but obviously it wasn't, so I had to buy these ones now. I'm an old bitch. Okay. So these are actual H7 ones with the LED, with just the 2 pins on it without an extra wire, as you can see. So hopefully these will work. Now with the LEDs, it's either one way or the other, but this has a cutout, so it can only go one way. So hopefully it should work. If they're doing it correctly, let's have a look. So come here. These are the H7s. These are the long beams. Let's go ahead and open it. It's this big cup here. Okay, that's out. Very dusty. Put that over there. Put on that one. Right, so the way you take this out is put your hand in and then twist it to the right. So yeah, just twist it to the right this way.
So clockwise.
And that's it. There's the bulb. Oh. That's the old halogen. So these are the LEDs. They're pretty much the exact same size compared to the other ones I showed you before, because they were faulty, and these cost double the money, but hopefully they should work. Let's see if that's hot now. Should be right. So all you're doing is make sure you don't touch the glass, because you shorten the life span of this. It's quite hot. Okay, once again guys, try my best not to just wiggle it out, guys. It's very hot, so the metals are bonded. There you go. So as you can see, it's cut out, so you can only go one way.
Oh, can't have a look at the inside there. Perfect.
There you go. I'm not touching any of the glass. So this is the new one. You can only go in one way. So all you're doing is pushing in. Should go straight into place, just like that.
Smooth.
Yep. Feels like it's in. Yep. Okay. So what you want to do is, same way you got it out. You want to look through the front so you can see going in, yep. And then you want to twist it at angle going in this way. The hammer. Like that. That. And then you want to twist it this way. Opposite the way you opened it from.
Anti-clockwise.
It's better with one hand. This hand, I reckon. We're doing it opposite way now, isn't it? Oops. That's in, isn't it? Yep. You feel it going. There you go. That's pretty much in. Yeah. Well, that's in now. You just twist it to the side. Let's go ahead and turn it.
Yep. Right, no need to blind me, man.
Whoa, look at the colour of that. Okay, so
and you can see the difference.
In real life, it's a lot more whiter. They look real nice. Wow. Look at the difference from that. Show that.
That's
Brightness wise,
I
I can't tell yet, but they do look brighter.
Hold on.
Do you think they're brighter? They do look brighter.
There you go. You can do a difference there.
Fucking hell, that looks nice.
That's real nice.
So, as you can see the difference, these are like a pure white, 6000K. So that's pure white. The high beams are 6500, which is a bit more blue. But we'll change that in a few. We'll watch that in another video probably. So yeah, that's working fine. And fits on with the normal cover, so that's really nice. These cost me 20 something pounds. It's worth it. It's double the price of what I paid before, but it's alright. So let's have a look. As you can see, very bright. Wait, move out of the way. Look at the difference, guys. It's a lot more whiter. We may have to focus it, we'll have to check later. So we're going to do this side now, same procedure. We're just taking off the cap. Oh, we haven't put the cap back on, have we? Oh, sorry. Okay, put the cap back on. I hate these caps. There you go. Easy as that, guys. Got the next bulb to change. Just taking this cap off. They're very dirty. Not been done in ages. I'm going to give it back to the cameraman. Well, this one is a bit harder because it's limited access. So, just do one way. If it doesn't work, do the other way. My hands are too big for this side. As you can see, there's limited access compared to this side.
Professional has to step in. So
yeah, the professional is going to take over apparently.
He's going to have to take off his goods.
So twist it one way. If it doesn't work, do the other way. I'm pretty sure it's. Pretty sure you do it that way. Pretty sure it's that way, innit?
I'm fully sure I've got my hands stuck.
You twisted it this way, so it'll be in this way. You want to twist it that way. We're doing it this way. That's all we're doing. You have to put a bit of force in.
Now we're going to change them over.
Huh?
Now we're going to change them over. My wrist hurt, man.
Let me show you both of them side by side. Try not to touch the glass, it's very hard. So they're the old bulbs, keep them as spare, just in case these LEDs burn out. So once you do get these LEDs, if you got them off like Amazon, eBay, and there's not a lot of reviews, what you want to do is make sure that they don't start smoking anything, because these don't have a cool on it. So make sure, just keep an eye on it, drive around for a bit. So yeah, that's what we're going to do in a second after we put all these in. Okay, that's pretty much in. Is that straight? Yeah. Now we'll just put it back in. The reverse of putting it out. It's going to be a bit hard to get in at first because how the hell am I going to get down? How on earth? I'm going to have to go all the way down here. There you go. I did drop it down there, but because it's bigger you can get it back out straight away. Luckily. So you just want to keep twisting it till you find the place. There you go. And then you want to twist it this way, opposite of the way you just. That's clicked in, isn't it? Yeah. That's clicked in now. You go switch it on and have a look. Yeah, that side's just
Mental,
like,
yeah.
So look at the difference. You can see when the headlights on, that was the thing going on.
Oh, that's the thing.
That was the light, the small one.
Oh, yeah, it does.
So at night you'll be showing that. That looks proper nice. Look at the difference. Yeah, so it is, I think it's much brighter. So we're gonna take it to like as the car park underground and point it towards the wall to see if it's still leveled out. It looks alright though to me, so should be right. Now we're gonna change the high beam, so go check that out. So these were the low beams we've done. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any golf and any Chinese person says you need those ones will work, the ones with wires, don't get them. Get these type ones. Very rare to find though, very hard to find. But if you find a good one, it'll be alright. We're gonna test these out for a bit, make sure they don't blow up or set on fire.
Oh, don't forget your cap.
Yeah, put the cap back on. Good luck. Pretty much a pure white colour. That is a pure white,
Yeah.
6000 K.
Fucking hell, bro.
Both of them cause an error bulb out error. Yes, found them both now. Yeah, they look so nice. I'll try see if I can get rid of an OBD somehow. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.